Hello my lovely ladies, welcome to Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi's live. Today I will show you Kuppadam sari collection. I'll explain about my sari first. See my sari. It's a Kuppadam light green with yellow combination. On body it has floral booties. And check the borders. Diamonds with floral zal and peacocks. That's the pallu. It's a brocade pallu. And it has got nice contrast blouse. Check this combination. I'll show you the pricing details. AN947 is the code. 14,175 rupees. I'll show you the next sari. It's a traditional combination Kuppadam pattu. It has a big border. See the combination, pink and blue. On body it has peacocks, circles with floral booties in zari. It has both gold and silver zari. Check the borders, diamonds, as well as floral zal with peacocks. Here is the pallu. It's a floral brocade. And it has got contrast blue blouse. See the combination. I'll tell you the pricing details. Chala reasonable price lo undi. Check the price. 6,600. BT934 is the code. Next I'll show you one beautiful combination. See this? Isn't it beautiful? Very nice sari. Yellowish green with orange combination Kuppadam sari it is. On body it has floral booties in zari. It has both silver and golden zari combination. Alternate lines. Check the borders. Florals and leaves jal with diamonds in lines. Very beautiful border. That's the pallu. It's a floral brocade. It has got orange blouse. It's contrast. Pricing details. BT946 is the code. 10,950 is the price. And these are all weavers' prices. Wow. Traditional evergreen combination. See this combination. Blue with red. It's a navy blue and red Kuppadam sari. On body it has both silver and golden zari combination. It has peacocks, florals and circles with zari. It has big borders, diamonds, peacocks with floral zal. It has a floral brocade pallu. It has got nice contrast red blouse. Pricing details. Stay tuned guys. Very reasonable. Check the price. 6,600 is the price. BT954 is the code. One more beautiful traditional combination. Wow. Kuppadam sari, aqua green with pink combination. On body, floral booties in zari checks. Very big border. Cross lines with peacocks and floral zal. And it has a floral brocade pallu. When it comes to blouse, it's a contrast. See the blouse with border. Lot of zari on border. I'll show you the pricing. It's just 6,600 rupees only. BT941 is the code. Check this combination. It's a pink kuppadam sari with blue combination. On body it has peacocks, florals with circles in zari. It has a combination of zari, silver and gold. Check the borders, diamonds and florals all with peacocks. Downside it has big border, and check the top side, it has kaddi and plain border. That's the pallu. It's a floral brocade. Contrast blouse. Offer price is 6,600 only. Item code is BT951. Don't miss this chance. Hurry up, ladies. These are all weavers' prices, valid for 24 hours only. We have global shipping and cash on delivery option within Hyderabad. Check this sari. Peacock green with blue. It has dual shade. On body, floral booties in zari. It has kaddi borders, both sides, down side as well as top side too. That's the pallu. On pallu, floral booties in cross checks. The sari is very comfortable, lightweight. Check this blouse, it's a contrast. $8,700 is the price. BT 944 code. Check the code BT 944. Next sari. Wow, it's a red sari with yellow combination. On body, florals, peacocks, circles. It has both silver and golden zari combination. When it comes to borders, diamond and florals all with peacocks. It has brocade pallu. And this sari has got contrast yellow blouse. Check the combination. See the pricing details. 6,600 is the price. BT 953 is the code. I'll show you one beautiful combination. Both are traditional colors. It is coming on the way. Stay tuned. Green with red. Wow. Many people want this combination. Green with red kuppadam sari. On body it has floral booties in zari. It has silver zari. See the borders, floral booties in cross lines with peacocks. That's the pallu. It's a floral brocade pallu. This saree has got nice contrast red blouse with gold and silver saree combination. Offer price is 5,925 rupees. BT950 is the code. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow our digital platforms? Please take a look at it. I'll be back in a while.
Tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
It's a Kuppadam saree. Check this beautiful combination. Light and dark combination. Beige with bright peach. On body it has floral booties in zari checks. When it comes to borders, cross lines with peacocks and florals. See the pallu, it's a floral brocade. I'll show you the blouse. Yes, it's a contrast blouse. Pricing details. 6,600 is the price. BT948 is the code. Next saree. And Soundarya garu, thanks for your response. Yes, today's collection is Kuppadam sarees. All the sarees are beautiful and lovely. Red and green Kuppadam saree. On body peacocks, floral booties. In saree checks, it has both gold and silver saree combination. Check the beautiful border. Peacocks and florals all with diamonds. See the pallu, florals and leaf jal. It has tajils. It has got green color contrast blouse. Pricing details. 6,600 is the price. BT940 is the code. Next saree. Wow. See the combination? Very subtle difference. Sea blue with navy blue combination Kuppadam. On body it has florals and leaves jal. Check the borders, cross lines with peacocks, horses and florals. That's the pallu, it's a floral brocade, which is in navy blue color, and it has contrast blouse. It's a navy blue blouse. Pricing details. 9,600 is the price. BR906 is the code. Trust me, I'll show you one beautiful combination now. It is coming on the way. Very soft, lightweight, easy to carry. It has nice elegance. Check this combination. It's a mustard with pink combination kuppadam saree. On body, florals and leaves. Check the borders, diamonds with peacocks and florals also. See this beautiful pallu. It has peacocks and florals in lines. Contrast blouse with nice border. Pricing details 9,375. AW665 is the code. One more beautiful combination coming on the way. See this? Light green with blue. On body, florals in zari checks. It has rose gold zari and silver also. Check the combination, zari combination. When it comes to borders, diamonds and floral zal. And that's the pallu. Floral booties in cross checks on pallu. We'll see the blouse now. It's a contrast. It's 16,297 rupees. BT 955 is the code. And these are all weavers prices, valid for 24 hours only. Hurry up, ladies. Check this combination. Bright peach with green combination. On body, floral booties in zari. See the borders, cross lines with peacocks and temples. It has floral brocade pallu. Contrast green blouse. Very reasonable price. Check the price. 5,925 offer price. BT 949 is the code. Check this combination. So many are asking for this combination. It's a cream with blue combination saree. It's a kuppadam. On body it has florals and birds in zari. Check the borders. Florals and leaves jal in cross lines. It's a floral brocade pallu. And this saree has got nice contrast multi-colors blouse. $5,850. BT 932 is the code. We'll see the next one. Wow, it's a red. Hello Shobha Garu, thanks for your response. It's a red saree with blue combination. On body it has floral booties in zari. When it comes to borders, florals, paisley style with zigzag lines. Both sides same style of borders. Check the borders and see the pallu. It's a floral brocade. It has got contrast blue color blouse. See the combination. Pricing details 10,125. BT956 is the code. Yellow with green combination. On body, floral boutique zari. It has big border, diamonds with elephants on borders, peacocks also, and florals too. Very nice border. That's the pallu. It's a brocade. This saree has got nice contrast blouse, green color blouse. See the combination. Check the pricing details. 6,450. BL851 is the code. Next one, it is pink. Different shade of pink and mehndi green combination. On body, floral booties in zari, golden zari, borders. Check the borders. It has boxes, floral shawl, and peacocks. It has got nice brocade pallu. It's a contrast blouse. Check the combination. See the pricing details. 8,625 rupees. Offer price. BO321 is the code. Today we have many combinations. Don't miss this live. Wow. Very royal kuppadam saree. It looks very royal. Check this saree, navy blue with orange combination. It's a rust orange. Rust orange is here. Check the combination. On body, florals, leaves shawl with peacocks in zari. Check the borders, cross lines with peacocks in circles and florals also. See this beautiful pallu, it's a floral brocade, it's in orange. Very elegant, very royal. See the combination. Pricing details. 9,600 is the price. BT931 is the code. Hello Rani Kumari Garu, do you want purple saree? I'll check and I'll show you definitely. Check this beautiful combination. Yellow with pink. On body, peacocks and florals with circles in zari. It has both silver and golden zari on body. See the beautiful borders, diamonds with peacocks and floral shawl. That's the pallu, it's a brocade. See this beautiful contrast pink blouse. 6,600 is the price. BT937 is the code. See this stylish combination kuppadam saree. Very stylish. Lilac with pink. Check the body, floral booties in zari. See the borders, florals in circles with cross lines. That's the pallu, florals and triangles in cross lines. And this saree has got nice contrast pink blouse. See the combination. Check the pricing details. 12,900 is the price. BT922 is the code. Next saree. Aha, very comfortable saree. Lightweight and traditional. Check this saree. Blue with pink combination. On body, floral booties in circles. It has very unique borders. Check the borders. On borders, it has zigzag lines, floral zal with temples. Temples also in zari. On pallu, floral booties in cross checks. It has got nice contrast pink blouse. $13,200 is the price. BT920 is the code. Next saree. Pink with yellow kuppadam saree it is. On body, floral booties in zari checks. It has big borders. On borders, peacocks and florals in cross lines with diamonds. That's the pallu. It's a floral brocade. Contrast blouse with big border. 6,600 is the price. BT933 is the code. We ship globally and we have cash on delivery option within Hyderabad. And these are all weavers prices. Valid for 24 hours only, so hurry up ladies. Check this beige and pink combination kuppadam. On body it has zari lines and florals. Check the borders, cross lines with elephants and alleys. On pallu, cross lines and alleys. Blouse is contrast. 8,100 is the price. AS118 is the code. And today's collection is Kuppadam. Check this saree. It's a grey with beige combination with pink edge. On body, peacocks and floral booties in zari. When it comes to borders, florals all with deeds and florals in cross lines. That's the pallu. It's a floral brocade, which is in beige color. It has got beige contrast blouse. See the combination. Pricing details, 5,850 offer price, BT928 is the code. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow our digital platforms? Do you know? Don't know? Okay, check it out.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ని చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi BML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Yes ladies, I am back with one more beautiful Kuppadam saree which is in pink color. See this. Pink with yellow combination. On body it has floral booties in cross checks with zari. Check the borders, yallis, peacocks and florals with cross lines. See the beautiful borders. I'm checking the color combinations. Just check the borders, yallis, peacocks and florals in cross lines. Yes. See this floral brocade pallu. This saree has got nice contrast blouse. See the combination. I'll show you the pricing details. Yes. Check here. 13,275 rupees. BT919 is the code. It's a Kuppadam saree, yellow with blue combination. On body it has floral booties in zari checks. See the borders, florals, leaves shawl with peacocks and cross lines. That's the pallu. It's a floral brocade. I'll show you the blouse. See this contrast blouse. 6,600 is price. BT929 is the code. Next, it's a red with combination of yellow. On body it has florals, peacocks with circles in zari. It has both silver and golden zari. Check the borders, diamonds and peacocks with floral zal. Check the pallu, It's a floral brocade. It's a contrast blouse. Offer price is 6,600. BT 938 is the code. Next, I'm showing you beautiful combination. It's a traditional combination. See this bottle green with peach combination. Edges in dark pink. On body it has florals and leaves jal in zari. Check this beautiful border. Cross lines and floral jal with peacocks. Horses too. It's a floral brocade pallu. See this beautiful contrast blouse. Check the pricing details. 9,600 is the price. BT 927 is the code. And these are all weavers prices and valid for only 24 hours. Wow, it's a dual shade. Mustard with pink combination. It has dual shade. Kuppadam sari. On body, floral booties in zari with self checks. Check the borders. Floral zal with zigzag lines. It has got same kind of borders both sides, downside as well as top side too. That's the pallu. It's a floral brocade. Wow, beautiful blouse. It's a contrast blouse. Check this blouse. See the combination. 14,100 is the price. BT 923 is the code. Yes. Traditional combination. It's a dark sea green with pink combination kuppadam. On body, floral booties in zari checks. When it comes to borders, peacocks and florals in cross lines with diamonds. That's the pallu. It's a floral brocade. This sari has got contrast blouse. 6,600 is the price. BT 925 is the code. One more beautiful combination coming on the way. Stay tuned. Greenish yellow with pink combination kuppadam sari. On body it has florals and leaves in zari. Check the borders, cross lines and peacocks in circles with florals. Very classy, a traditional sari. That's the pallu. It's a floral brocade. It has got contrast blouse. It's a pink blouse. 9,600 is the price. BT 939 is the code. I'll show you one super duper combination. Check this. Blue saree with pink combination kuppadam saree. On body, florals and leaves shawl with birds. Check the borders. On borders, it has dual shade. Very big border, diamonds with peacocks, elephants and florals in lines. Beautiful border it has. Check the pallu, florals in diamond booties. Blouse is here. Check the blouse. $9,600 is the price. BR 897 is the code. Next saree. See this saree, pink with yellow combination. On body, floral booties in zari checks. Check the borders, diamonds and florals all with peacocks. It has got floral brocade pallu and yes, contrast blouse. Pricing details. 6,600. BT 930 is the code. Next one, brown with orange coming on the way. Stay tuned. Very royal. Brownish maroon it is. Brownish maroon with orange combination. On body, floral booties in silver zari. Check the borders. Florals and diamonds in curvy checks with peacocks. Here we have peacocks. And floral brocade pallu. Contrast blouse. 14,175 rupees. Offer price BT 947 is the code. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow our digital platforms? Please take a look at it.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Yes ladies, I'm back with one more beautiful saree. Beautiful combination, rare combination, unique combination I would say. Check this. Different shades, pastels, light peach with sea green. Both are different shades. On body, floral booties in cross checks with zari. Check the borders, diamonds and florals all with peacocks, Alice too. Very classy. It has floral brocade pallu and contrast blouse. Blouse is in bright color. 13,200 is the price. BT 942 is the code. Dual shade saree. Check the green and lilac. Kuppadam saree, lightweight, comfortable saree. On body peacocks, floral booties in saree checks. See the borders, diamonds and peacocks with florals. It has got floral brocade pallu. And we'll check the blouse now. Wow, it's a contrast. No, this side, check this side. ₹14,947. BT 918 is the code. I'll show you evergreen combination next. See this red and green combination. On body, floral booties in zari checks. Check the borders, florals and lace jal. That's the pallu, it's a brocade one. Saree has got contrast blouse, which is in green color. 6,600 is the price. BT 936 is the code. Next one. Trust me, it's a lightweight kuppadam. Blue with purple combination. On body, floral booties in saree. Check the kadhi borders, both sides. It's a floral brocade pallu. And contrast blouse. Pricing details. 8,700 is the price. BT 945 is the code. Next saree. Light green. And we are showing Kuppadam silk sarees in today's live. Light green color saree. On body, florals and leaves jal. It has kadhi borders with pink edge. Check the pallu, small boxes in lines on pallu. Contrast tissue blouse. Check this blouse. ₹14,475. BS 669 is the code. And my lovely ladies, these are all weavers prices, offer prices, and valid for 24 hours only. So hurry up ladies, don't miss this chance. Dual shade again. Check this brownish maroon with pink. On body, floral booties in zari. It has kadhi borders both sides. On pallu, florals and leaves jal. And it's a contrast blouse. ₹9,450. Offer price. BT 957 is the code. Next saree. See this combination? Light green with orange combination. It has copper and silver zari combination. light yellowish green saree with orange combination. Cross lines with zari, kaddi borders both sides. On pallu, florals in cross checks. Very beautiful pallu. Contrast blouse. Pricing details 9,450 rupees. BR908 is the code. Dark color saree, brown with yellow combination. This is the last saree from today's collection. Check this saree. On body leaf booties in saree. Checked borders, floral booties with elephants, peacocks and florals. Pallu, florals all it has. And wow, it's a nice contrast blouse. I'll tell you the pricing. Check the details. 10,350 rupees offer price. BT 921 is the code. And for any queries, please contact 89 001 0002. We'll see the mannequins now. Check the mannequins. It's a light green with blue combination kuppadam saree. On borders, munias in cross lines with booties in cross checks. It has very beautiful borders. Check the pallu, floral brocade pallu. It has got contrast blouse. Pricing details. Item code is BT924. Offer price is 13,125 rupees. We'll move on to next mannequin. Stay tuned. Check this black saree. Black with beige combination kuppadam. On body drop booties. In saree, check the borders, cross lines and florals with peacocks. It has also got temples on borders. Pallu. Check the pallu. Cross lines on pallu. When it comes to blouse, it's a contrast one. See the pricing details. 6,300 rupees. AY344 is the code. Today I showed you almost all the combinations. Check this mannequin's saree. Navy blue with red kuppadam. On body it has peacocks and floral booties in saree. Check the borders. Diamonds and florals all with peacocks. See the pallu. It's a floral brocade. This saree is in very reasonable price. Check the price. 6,600 rupees. BT935 is the code. Next mannequin. Wow, it's a girl's favorite color. Pink it is. All over small polka dots in saree. Silver and gold combination. It has kaddi borders. On pallu, diamonds in cross checks. Blouse is a contrast one. Check the pricing details. 8,550 rupees offer price. BR911 is the code. Yes, that's it for today, and we'll meet you in next live with different beautiful collection. Take care, bye-bye.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు కంచి BML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.